This is a nice full body flow in the hip hang. So starting in the hip hang with a hinge in the hips. On the forearms, I like to start with some mild cat-cows, lengthening through the spine on the inhale, and exhale, scoop and round, drawing the navel in. This feels really good on my spine. Also a nice core strengthening. And you can just hang in ragdoll, enjoying the inversion, helping to decompress the spine. I like going into a tuck position and really drawing the chin in towards my chest. This is great for my thyroid. And going into a pike position. This is lovely hamstring stretch. It's actually quite intense on the hamstrings. Once you're back in the hip hang, if you straighten up the arms and press the hips back, you can sway side to side. This will feel great on the side body, maybe even a nice shoulder opening, and then into a downward facing dog. Adding a mild twist, so grabbing the opposite ankle, pressing into the hand that's in front of you as you lengthen through the spine as you twist, trying to keep the legs straight, although a slight bend is okay in the knees. Shifting back in towards hip hang and hooking one foot for 3-limb dog. I like a little bit of cat-cows here, working on elongating the spine on the inhale and exhale, nice scoop. Release back into that hip hang, so then you can go to the opposite side for your 3-limb dog. Pressing the hips back and trying to straighten up that leg on the mat. You can straighten the leg that's hooked in the hammock as long as you keep your hips nice and square. Again, adding some cat-cows, little core and spinal opening. Shifting back into that hip hang, now hooking both feet, and we can come into a frogged handstand variation. And if you feel comfortable, you can try to crochet, straighten up the legs, and find a balance. It's a little bit more challenging for me to bounce because my hands weren't in the center, but I liked that challenge. Simply bend the knees to release, and then walk to the feet to the center, hands to the center, and slowly round and roll on up. Be nice and slow since you were inverted.